Hi guys, today we will talk about how to choose people from your or people from people you follow on your Twitter app. We're going to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your Twitter app. All you have to do is just go up, you click it on this picture on app, then it's going to show for you window like this. So then you just go down, you click here on settings and support, and you click here on settings and privacy. Then it's going to take us here in this window. Just go down here and you click here on notifications. Then you come to this window here, just click here on preferences, and you come here to this window, you click here on push notifications. Then you come here to tweets for tweets from people you follow, you click here. So and here can you choose people here. I have nothing, I have no one, but if you have it, you will find them here in this window. So that's all you have to do. I wish you a great, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.